Have you ever felt like your knees were about to give out after just a few short steps? That's not just normal fatigue. It could be the first sign that your knee joints are starting to deteriorate. And if not addressed early, you could lose your ability to walk permanently within just a few months. If you're over 60, then adding the right foods that strengthen knees after 60 is one of the easiest and most effective ways to reduce pain, rebuild cartilage, and restore mobility right at home, without medication. In this video, I'll share 7 doctor-recommended foods that nourish your cartilage, reduce inflammation, and support natural joint movement. And make sure to watch until the end, because food number 7 is commonly used incorrectly, which can reverse its benefits without you even knowing. If you truly care about leg health after 60, comment number 1 below. I'll continue creating more helpful videos just for you. Food 1. Salmon. Salmon is one of the strongest foods for protecting and rebuilding knees after 60. Thanks to its high omega-3 content, it powerfully reduces joint inflammation, helps repair cartilage, and increases flexibility. That's why experts often include it in the list of foods that strengthen knees after 60. Besides healthy fats, salmon also contains vitamin D, B12, and high-quality protein, key cartilage repair nutrients that older adults are commonly deficient in. If you experience pain going upstairs, difficulty standing up, or morning knee stiffness, adding salmon to your meals 2 to 3 times a week can make a noticeable difference. Salmon is also a core part of many joint support diets. You can pan-sear, bake, or steam it with vegetables. Just make sure to preserve its natural oils. And if you can't eat fish, don't worry, the next food is a vegetable that's easy to find and incredibly anti-inflammatory. Let's take a look at food number 2. Food 2. Dark leafy greens. If you're not regularly eating greens like spinach, kale, or bok choy, it's time to start. These dark leafy vegetables are rich in vitamin K, vitamin C, calcium, and polyphenol, compounds that help reduce inflammation, slow down joint degeneration, and protect knee cartilage from mechanical damage. A study from Harvard Medical School found that older adults who regularly consumed vitamin K, rich greens had 47% lower risk of knee osteoarthritis than those who didn't. That's why these vegetables are staples in many joint support diets and are considered top anti-inflammatory foods. If you're looking for the best foods for joints, start by adding lightly steamed spinach, stir-fried kale, or leafy greens in your daily soups. Not only do they ease knee pain, but they also help nourish cartilage and boost joint flexibility. And if you're still watching, comment number 2 so I know you're fighting for your legs. Don't blink, the next food doesn't come from vegetables or fruit, but it's something you might already be cooking every week without realizing its power. Food 3. Bone broth. Bone broth is rich in collagen, gelatin, and amino acids, the very compounds your knees need to stay strong. According to the National Institutes of Health, NIH, nutrients in bone broth can improve flexibility and reduce joint pain in older adults. These are vital cartilage repair nutrients that your body naturally loses over time. You can drink a cup of warm bone broth in the morning or use it as a base for soups or stews in the evening. It's easy to digest and one of the most natural foods that strengthen knees after 60. Now, let's move away from savory foods and look at a group of small, colorful fruits with surprisingly powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Food 4. Berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, these are more than just tasty desserts. These berries contain anthocyanins, a powerful antioxidant that helps soothe joint inflammation and reduce knee swelling naturally without medication. You can feel the benefits if you eat them daily for just a few weeks. A 62-year-old woman in Chicago shared that she had stopped walking in the morning due to painful, shaky knees. After switching to berry smoothies and cutting processed foods, she was back walking in the park within just 3 weeks. These berries are ideal anti-inflammatory foods and highly recommended best foods for joints. You can eat them fresh, blend them into yogurt, make smoothies, or freeze them for later. These small, colorful fruits don't just lighten your steps, they help nourish your knees from the inside out. And if you're interested in learning more about foods and vitamins for leg strength after 60, I've already created a playlist just for you. Check the link in the description below. But if you're looking for something creamy and fatty that naturally lubricates your knees from within, the next food is exactly what you're looking for. Food 5, avocados. Most people think of avocados as a diet food or smoothie ingredient. But in reality, avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats that lubricate joints, reduce inflammation, and maintain flexibility. They also contain vitamin E, a natural antioxidant that calms inflammation, reduces joint pain, and helps rebuild soft tissue around the joint. However, many people make two mistakes when eating avocados. Mixing them with condensed milk or sugar, which cancels out the anti-inflammatory benefits and adds excess weight, a major factor in faster knee deterioration. Eating too little or too irregularly, so they never get consistent benefits. Avocados are ideal best foods for joints, especially if you're looking for knee pain nutrition from natural sources. Mash them on whole grain bread, toss in a salad, or blend into your morning smoothie to help your body absorb those healthy fats. But if you want something that targets inflammation at the root cause, don't skip the next part. Food 6, turmeric. Turmeric has long been known as one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatories. The active ingredient, curcumin, has been widely studied for its ability to ease joint pain and swelling, especially in chronic knee arthritis, elderly cases. That's why turmeric is often recommended as one of the best foods for arthritis knees. But to get the full benefit, you need to consume it the right way. A common mistake is using dry turmeric alone without combining it with fats or black pepper, which limits curcumin's absorption. Instead, combine turmeric with a pinch of black pepper, piperine, and healthy fats like coconut oil, olive oil, or plant-based milk. Many experts in knee pain nutrition recommend this method. An easy way to take it: mix half a teaspoon of turmeric powder with warm water, a pinch of black pepper, and a teaspoon of coconut oil. Drink it 20 to 30 minutes before breakfast. You can also sprinkle turmeric into stir fries, soups, or blend it with plant milk to make golden milk, a popular anti-inflammatory drink in the US. And now comes one food that many older adults eat daily, just a spoonful at a time. But if used the wrong way, it may cause bloating, stomach discomfort, and eliminate any anti-inflammatory benefit. This is a common mistake among seniors, and I'll help you fix it right now. Food 7, chia seeds. Many older adults eat chia seeds for digestion or joint health. But if you don't soak them properly or drink enough fluids, they absorb moisture from your gut, leading to bloating and discomfort. This reduces their anti-inflammatory effectiveness. Chia seeds are rich in plant-based omega-3s, magnesium, calcium, and soluble fiber, all important cartilage repair nutrients in a good joint support diet. That's why experts rank them among top foods that strengthen knees after 60. To get the benefits, soak 1 tablespoon in warm water, plant milk, or juice for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Once they form a gel, add to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or pancakes. Use them 1 to 2 times a day to absorb inflammation-fighting nutrients without digestive issues. This proves that even healthy foods can backfire if used incorrectly. And for adults over 60, the key to results is consistency and understanding. You just discovered 7 foods that can make your knees stronger every day. No pills, no expensive treatments, just the right use of what's already in your kitchen. Take care of your legs before they force you to stop moving. And remember, the foods for arthritis knees you learned today may be the key to relieving pain, restoring movement, and staying independent after 60. If you're still watching, comment number 9 below so I know you're someone who truly cares about your health. I'll continue making in-depth, easy to follow videos just for you. And